how to create Flutter project on VS Code. So for this, first of all, you will when you open the VS Code, you will see like this interface. Now go to View option, then go to Terminal. Now here, if you want to create the folder in any other path, then you can write type like this. But I will create the folder in here. So for that, Flutter create confused student. All the these letters will be small. Okay, so confused student. Now after this, we will open the this confused student folder. Okay? So yes, here in my laptop there is some problem. So yes, I have opened this folder in this SP. Okay, so SP path. So we'll go to here SP and so here you can see we have the confused student. Okay, so I will drag it to the desktop folder. So to drag it to the desktop folder, I will do like this, drag it here and here. Now it is here in the desktop. Okay, so now after this, go to CD desktop. Now we have to go to CD confused student folder. Okay, so now at first I will open this folder, open folder and desktop, and here is confused student. Select folder. Now UI of this R folder. Okay, so now go to the lib. Okay, so go to the lib and here is the main.dat. Now we have to run this code. Okay, so for this, you have to select your device. Okay, for this, go to your device emulator. So here you will see the option. Now I have this emulator. You can select any of this. So I will select this start pixel 6. Now this is the emulator. Now we have to go to the run option and click on run without debugging. So now we have successfully run the emulator. So here you can see now to restart this we have to click this fast reload and this is restart and this is stop option. Okay, so if I change here color, suppose if I change it to green color. Okay, so now I have to click on this save and hot reload. So it will be hot reloading. It will take some time and here you can see here the color of this bar is changed. So in this way you can create the Flutter project in VS Code and run the emulator. Okay.